Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a burger and grill garden. First, choose high-quality ground beef, ideally with an 80/20 lean-to-fat ratio for the best flavor and juiciness. Gently form your patties, aiming for about 1/3 of a pound each, and make a small indentation in the center to prevent bulging. Season them generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper right before they hit the grill. Achieving a perfectly grilled burger starts with a hot grill. Preheat your grill to a medium-high temperature, around 400 degrees Fahrenheit, to get a great sear. Place your patties directly over the heat and grill for about 3 to 5 minutes per side for a delicious medium rare. For cheeseburgers, add your favorite cheese during the final minute of cooking, allowing it to melt beautifully. Now, let's talk about your grill garden. Select a sunny location in your yard that gets at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Consider planting herbs like rosemary and thyme, alongside vegetables such as cherry tomatoes and crisp lettuce, all perfect companions for your grilled meals. Prepare your soil by ensuring good drainage and enriching it with plenty of organic compost for healthy plant growth. Maintaining your grill garden is simple. Water your plants consistently, particularly during warmer, drier weather, to ensure they flourish. Harvest your herbs and vegetables often. This encourages more growth and keeps your plants productive. Finally, assemble your delicious burgers using your freshly picked garden ingredients. Enjoy the incredible flavors of your homemade meal, straight from your backyard to your plate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.